So Jamaica's Reggae Girlz again took care of business at the office to be now one step away from a third consecutive World Cup qualification. And inevitably, the comparisons will continue between what the Reggae Boys failed to do and what the Reggae Girlz are again in the process of doing. Important to note, though, is the fact that the core of this Reggae Girlz team are in their third consecutive World Cup run. Now that is consistency, which gives rise to team synergy and team chemistry. So although the teams that the girls are beating are weaker teams, we could still see the organization and the cohesion with the unit. The Reggae Girlz concept of building a team is obviously based on selecting our best players without fear or favor. Play the core together as often as possible in games and tournaments. Not this mysterious last-minute exclusions and inclusions that led to the on-field confusion with the Reggae Boys and the mental confusion.